Cases of the flu are on the rise in Massachusetts, and the illness being blamed for a death of a 6-year-old from Haverhill this week. Closer to home, schools across the city are taking steps to try to keep the flu from spreading. And as our Chandler Walsh explains, doctors in Worcester say they're seeing more sick patients.
Dr. William Horgan is seeing more flu cases in children, especially in the last 2 weeks.
I just know in my office we're very busy with influenza-like illness.
It's a similar story at Worcester's Elm Park Community School, where nurse Nicole Kazarian is also seeing a spike in sickness.
We've seen about a twofold increase from years past.
Doctors are keeping a close eye on flu cases across Massachusetts. A 6-year-old from Haverhill died this week, the first flu-related death in the state this season. Dr. Horgan is the chief of pediatrics at St. Vincent Hospital, and he says some children are at risk of developing flu complications.
Children are at high risk if they're less than 2, if they have underlying medical conditions like asthma, heart disease, kidney disease, immune suppression for any reason.
Horgan says if at-risk children display flu symptoms, they should be taken to a pediatrician for treatment.
Antiviral medications can help, especially if they're started within the first couple days.
Paul Pratt is a father of 4. He hasn't gotten the flu shot, but he made sure his kids have. He says they have been sick this winter, but luckily not with the flu.
I mean, they have their flu shot, but they were just sick for a week. You know, they both got ear infections, but that's about it, the flu shot.
Meanwhile, schools like Elm Park are taking action to prevent students from flu exposure.
So they sent a team of custodians into our building to clean all surfaces, our railings, bathrooms completely, the stalls, the sinks, the handles.
Dr. Horgan says so far Central Mass has had the least amount of flu cases in the state, but he does expect that to change in the coming weeks. That's why doctors are reminding people it's not too late to get that flu shot. The city says there have been 502 cases of the flu confirmed this year, and Olivia, that's a significant change from last year's 131.
It definitely is. Thank you, Chandler, for that.